Kian.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so what are you doing today?
I am doing addition activity.
Okay, and what are you using in your addition activity?
Blocks.
Blocks. Okay, can you show it to your friends?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start it. What are you doing in your activity?
First, I will roll these blocks.
Okay, and then?
Then I will pick two.
Okay, और फिर आप उन्हें कहाँ रखोगे?
इधर और इधर.
Okay, let's start it. Okay, which two blocks are you choosing? Two. Okay. Can you read the numbers on them?
2 plus 0
Okay.
equals to 2.
Okay. Can you show us how?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. And what about 0? आप 0 के आगे क्या करोगे?
0 के आगे? No.
Nothing. Okay. And then what is 2 plus 0 equals to?
2 plus 0 equals to 2.
Okay. Then put the blocks after equals to. Good job. Nice. Okay. Then roll the blocks again.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the numbers in your hands?
1 and 5.
1. Okay. So now how will you add these? 1 plus 5. Right?
1 plus 5.
Okay. Good job. And can you count the total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good
6.
job. So the next game is you have to roll the blocks again. So roll them. I'll tell you what you have to do. Okay, now pick 2 blocks.
2 blocks. 1
Okay.
and 4.
Which is smaller? Which number is smaller?
1.
Okay. Put 1 here and 4 after equals to. Yes. Now you have to tell me what will you add in 1 so that we get a total of 4. Okay. So what will you do? Fine. How many blocks are you putting there?
4.
4. Fine.
1.
Okay. So how many blocks are missing?
Missing 3.
Okay, tell me how.
How?
Okay. Two and 3. Good. Okay. अच्छा, ये आपने यहाँ पे क्यों रखा है, आप बताओगे?
जिससे इक्वल्स हो जाए, यहाँ पे भी 4, यहाँ पे भी 4.
Okay. Select 2 more numbers.
7.
Do fast. Yes. Put 7. Okay. After equals to. Yes. Now you have to tell me, this is the blank box. Okay. This is the blank box. You have to tell me which number will come here. Okay. What are you doing?
9 blocks.
Okay, fine. Fine. And what will you put on the other side?
Other side. 7.
Okay, put 7 blocks. Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7.
ओके एंड नाउ आप कितने ब्लॉक्स हटाओगे और कहाँ से हटाओगे?
इधर से।
ओके
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
सो हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट?
2.
2. सो ब्लैंक बॉक्स की जगह कितने ब्लॉक्स आ जाएंगे?
2.
वेरी गुड. So that will make a total of
9.
very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now the third game is you have to do double addition. So here I am keeping 6 plus 1. You have to add 2 in it. Add plus then 2. And then equals to and tell me what's the total. How will you do it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
Fine.
and 1.
Okay.
1,
Okay. And then what about 2?
2.
Okay. So what will be the total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. Yes. Okay, Kiana. Now second thing you have to do is you have to add this 5 with 4 and then you have to add 5 in it.
5 and
Yes. And then tell me the total.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. And then
4. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
good job. Next.
Next 5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay. Can you tell me the total now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Good job. Now write 14 over there.
1.
Okay, write it down. Perfect. Add 4 numbers. 5 plus 4 and then 6 plus 1. And tell me what's the total.
I got a 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Then
6 and 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1.
tell me the total.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Good job. Now write 16. Nice. Perfect. एडिशंस किए हैं जो फर्स्ट लाइन में सिंगल डिजिट के, वो आप सेकेंड डिजिट के लिए भी बता सकते हो?
Yes.
बताओ कैसे किया आपने, क्या ट्रिक है?
ग्रेटर नंबर को रहने दिया, फिर छोटे नंबर के लिए ग्रेटर नंबर के आगे काउंटिंग करी.
ओके, हाउ कैन यू टेल अस? 3 fingers.
16, 17.
Okay. Nice. What about the second one? 11 plus 7.
11 plus 7.
What will you
11 को रहने दिया, छोटे नंबर के लिए काउंटिंग करी ग्रेटर नंबर के बाद में से.
do? Okay. Start counting. How many fingers will you open?
7.
Okay.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Good job. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, Kian, so you are doing addition worksheets?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me how you are doing it?
2
What about this one?
fingers, 3 fingers,
And then counting from?
counting from 3,
Okay.
4, 5, 6.
From, yes. So that is not counting from 3, that is counting after 3. Right? And what will you do here in the wings of butterfly?
6 colors.
6 dots. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Let's start with the next butterfly. What you have to add here?
3,
And
6.
okay. So what will you do?
6 after counting.
Okay. You'll start the counting after 6. Okay. How many fingers? Okay.
7, 8, 9.
What about next butterfly?
5 plus 2. 2 fingers go
Okay.
here. 5 star is wanted. 6, 7.
So these DIY worksheets we have done. The butterfly addition, this is add to total using the dice pattern, and these object coloring additions. So you can try these simple worksheets at home and let your little one practice with some coloring and playful fun manner. Thank you. Do let us know if you like the video, and please subscribe to it and do press the bell button to get more updates on our upcoming videos.